Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video I haven't done in a really long time. It's what I eat in a day video, but I'm calling it a what we eat in a day because I'm going to try and show you what we eat as a family. So me, Rich and Gray. It's currently 9:20, so we got up at 5:30. Rich got up this morning with Gray actually. 5:30, ridiculous. She's been waking up so early recently, we don't know why. And he went down with her at 6 and gave her a bottle and played with her. And she had breakfast around 7. So she went for her nap around 8 o'clock, came back into our bed when she woke up. We've just been like snoozing. It's a Sunday, so excuse us, it's a bit of a late start, although we've kind of been awake for ages. So I'm gonna go downstairs now and have breakfast and I'll show you that. And I think I'm gonna take Gray down with me so Rich can get ready. This video is also sponsored by HelloFresh. I'm so excited to be working with them again this year because you guys know we just like are genuine customers of HelloFresh and we absolutely love what they do and we couldn't live without it. So I'm really excited to be working with them on this video and I'm gonna talk to you properly about HelloFresh this evening when we make dinner, and I'll have a new code to share with you guys for this year. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna head downstairs now and make some breakfast. Do you think she ate enough? Do you think she's gonna want more? I think she'll be alright. For my breakfast, I have really been enjoying this. I just have to, I've got a new pack. This one's almost finished. It's the Rude Health Granola Strawberry and Raspberry Organic, and I usually just have it with a bit of milk and then sometimes I'll just put like a banana in. I think that's what I'm gonna do today. So I've put in a whole banana and I've just got some blueberries as well. Actually, I've got some, I might cut up, I've got some spare strawberries. I'm going to cut those up and put them in. There's my breakfast. Delicious. I never really used to eat breakfast, or not like regularly, only when I could be bothered, but since having a baby I've had breakfast every single day, sometimes even 2, because there is just no way of making it to lunchtime otherwise. We normally eat lunch actually around 11:30, 12 now because we eat with her. So I might eat something when I'm downstairs with her, like 7 o'clock, or I'll wait till now, or I'll have 2 breakfasts. But this is like a nice big breakfast for today. Our HelloFresh box is here.
Cold out.
It's freezing today. Gray's little PlayStation. So our HelloFresh box arrives on a Sunday morning. It's always outside waiting for us. Okay, Rich, what are you making yourself for breakfast today?
I'm going to make banana pancakes. Banana and egg pancakes.
So what, egg?
2 eggs, 1 banana.
Mush them together. Is that it?
Yep.
And then you're just going to make little pancakes?
Yep.
Here are Rich's banana and egg pancakes. Yummy. Okay, for Gray's lunch, she is having these, which are dried apricot and carrot. They've got a bit of onion and stuff in there. The recipe is from the baby-led weaning app, and then some little strips of avocado as well. She likes to hold her food herself, so we'll break this up in half and she'll feed herself, which is quite nice. And then afterwards she'll have a yogurt, which I'll show you. Here you go. Good girl. Mmm. Yeah. Okay, she's had, how much? She had 2 of those dried apricot carrot things. How many avocado strips do you reckon she had?
Like 1.
Oh, she wasn't that into it today. It's not that ripe. And now she's going to have a little Yeo yogurt, strawberry and peach. These are quite good. They're not like crazy sugary. Rich is doing lunch because I'm batch cooking because it's a Sunday. We always try to give yogurt with this lunchtime meal because she no longer has a bottle at this time. Gray's now having her lunchtime nap, but we're thinking that we might go out and eat after when she wakes up and give her so we'll have like a late lunch and she can have her 3 o'clock bottle whilst we're having lunch. So we're just gonna have a quick snack because we haven't actually eaten since this morning, so just to keep us going. I'm having half a matzo, which is like a cracker. Rich is having a whole one.
Do you want on it?
Yeah, some peanut butter, please. I'm having Skippy, which Rich hates me having because it's full of sugar. And Rich is having pepper nut, which we did buy for Gray, but we've actually ended up not giving it to her because this one has salt in it. Meridian peanut butter is better, so Rich is just finishing this off. Thank you very much. Oh my god, I'm so hungry, my stomach's rumbling. I'm also gonna have a handful of almonds because I'm still hungry. We've just come to King's Cross to Coal Drops Yard, which is such a cool space. It's not perfect yet. I feel like they definitely are lacking in quite a few like shops and cafes and stuff. Some of the shops I think are too expensive for the space, but we're going to try and find somewhere to get some lunch here. We're in a place called Morty and Bob's. I don't think I've been here before. They do really good cheese toasties though. So I am having a latte. This looks like it's going to be amazing. Rich has gone for a green juice. Maybe 3 o'clock, but if never too late for breakfast, according to Rich. He's gone for the breakfast bat, which is like bacon, avocado, egg. Oh my god, that looks so good, Rich. Now we can't have the burgers tonight, otherwise you're going to have 2 buns in a day. And I've gone for the classic cheese toasty. So it's with onions and it's got a pickle. This is amazing. Oh my god, guys, this is heavenly. There is no way I could finish that whole thing. I had almost half. Rich is having the other half. It's so rich, but it's so good. Oh, Gray's having a snack as well. She just had her bottle and she's got FOMO because we're eating. So she's having these lentil puffs from Babies. I absolutely love this brand. They do really nice pouches as well. She doesn't really eat purees from a pouch anymore, which is annoying because we have loads, but when she did, she loved this brand. Lentil puffs with cheddar cheese and chives, and she just holds these and like munches on them. That was delicious, but quite sickly. I managed about a quarter of it. It was so good, and the coffee there was really, really nice. Wow, so we're just walking around King's Cross before we head home. Okay, for Gray's dinner I've taken out 2 fish cakes. I'm just defrosting it in the microwave and then I'm going to quickly fry it because I froze them like before, so they're cooked but they haven't been fried. And then I've just taken out some of these sweet potato sticks as well. I'm going to defrost those. It's 5:15, so this is normally actually the time she has dinner, somewhere between 5 and 5:30. So I'm just getting everything ready. We always give her water with her meals, and actually she really likes water, and she drinks it out of this cup, which at first I think was a little bit of a shock because it's just free pouring, but she is totally fine with it now and loves it. She actually really likes doing it herself, just holding on to these little handles. Okay.
There we go.
Are these hot? No, these are okay. There's some sweet potato. Go on, you can have some. Yeah, go on. Good girl. I've got some water for her. Good girl. Mmm, delicious. Mmm. Fish cakes are a little hot, but I tend to kind of put them in half, and then I'll just give her. I'll give her like that to hold, but they're a bit hot at the moment. This is absolutely without a doubt her favourite meal ever, fish cakes and sweet potato. Like she can see me blowing on these now and she's getting excited. Okay, there you go. You have to be so patient. She sometimes just likes to have a little feel and then she'll go back and then she'll have another little feel. And she just has to suss it out a bit, decide what she wants. Nope, not that. Yep, 3rd time lucky. Oh, no, not yet. You love the fish cake. Yeah. Oh, nope. There we go. I buy these from M&S every now and again. I know it's like a little bit lazy, but it's just so easy. They're just like pre-cut. I find things like mango difficult to cut sometimes. And also they have to be like perfectly ripe. So she loves these. Sorry, it's gonna be a little bit cold. Do you want some mango? Mmm. Delish. Also, even when she's eating the mango, she'll like go back to the fish cakes and sweet potato and just have more of that. Gray is asleep, bedtime went well, bath time went well, and now it's time for us to eat. These what I eat in a day videos are always funny because it just looks like all we do is eat all day, but I promise there've been like gaps between the eating. So as you guys know, we do HelloFresh and we do it 3 times a week, and it's just like come back into being the best thing in our lives again now we have a baby. It's just so great. Like, especially now I'm focusing so much on like cooking her food and making her dinner, and then we give her dinner at 5:30 and we give her a bath and then we put her to bed, and it's this whole thing, and then we come downstairs and like the last thing I want to do is be creative and think of like a meal to make for both of us. So it is just the most perfect thing. You guys know all about HelloFresh because I've worked with them for a while now, which is just so great. Working with a brand that you genuinely love is just the best thing, obviously. But for those of you who might be new and don't know, this is what the recipe card looks like. So it says how long the meal takes to cook. It lists all the ingredients that you need. It has a lovely photo. And then on the back, it has a step-by-step guide on how to cook it. And these are genuinely really easy to follow. Like, I'm not the best chef ever, and I just find it really easy. It lists here like how much you need of the ingredients, if it's for 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. So this is what I'm going to be making tonight. We normally do a couple of veggie meals and then 1 meat meal a week. This is the Asian style beef. This is one of their classic recipes. It says it takes 30 minutes to make. 30 minutes is like standard time, I think, for making a dinner. That's like a good time for us. But they also do rapid recipes, which we have had before. We really like those. Those take 20 minutes to make. So we know if it's a night that Rich wants to go to the gym, or we've got something, or we just want to be super quick, or we're going to be eating late, the rapid recipes are great. And then Rich just shouted, also they do 10-minute ones. Apparently they do extra rapid recipes now, which take 10 minutes to cook. We need to get some of those. Like, what takes 10 minutes to cook?
What we had.
Oh, did we do one?
The cod one last week. No, haddock.
Apparently the haddock one we had last week was an extra rapid.
Haddock and like a soya glaze.
Oh, that was delicious. Just means that you don't have to like plan your meals and do all the food shopping for all your dinners all week. It's just like too much. This is so perfect. So they send you all of the ingredients like pre-portioned. So if you have any spices that go into the meal, they're just pre-portioned. I'm going to show you now how easy it is to make a HelloFresh recipe. Also, before I forget, I have a new code. It's Cook Fresh Lily, and that will get you 50% off your first box and 35% off your next 3 HelloFresh boxes. So definitely worth using that if you haven't yet tried HelloFresh. So this is what I mean when I say pre-portioned ingredients. This is 150 grams of fragrant jasmine rice. So this is exactly what I need for this recipe. HelloFresh introduced me to the sauce, which I now absolutely love. So we've got that, we've got some chicken stock powder, we've got red pepper, mange, coriander, lime, ginger, red onion. It's all going on. And the seasoning, the HelloFresh seasoning is always the best. What is this? Oh, it's not focusing. Thai seasoning, is that what it says? Yeah, blend. Thai seasoning blend. I bet that's delicious. Rich is on cooking duty tonight because I batch cooked so much food for Gray today. I can't possibly do any more cooking. So we have cut up the onions and the pepper, grating the ginger. If this goes on the top, I might leave it out. I like coriander. I don't mind coriander anymore when it's like within food, you know, like in a Thai soup or something. But if it's like on top, I can't just eat it like that. Cooking away and smelling good. Dinner is served. Rice. This smells amazing. Oh my god, it's so yummy. It's got quite a kick to it.
The Thai spices.
Really good.
Thai chili.
It's really nice actually. Rich is going over to my sister's to babysit. I'm gonna go watch Sex Education. Oh, I'm not. You'd kill me, wouldn't you? We are loving watching that at the moment. I can't watch it without Rich. I'm gonna find something that I can watch without you. Oh, it's Sunday night, Kardashians.
Oh.
He's jealous, he wants to watch Kardashians.
Bye.
Bye. Now I'm just eating dinner on my own, that's really sad. I'm not gonna end the video yet because I know that this isn't it. It's 8 o'clock. There's no way I'm gonna last until bedtime, which is like 10:30, 11. There's gonna have to be something else consumed in this video. Don't forget to check the description box, guys, for my HelloFresh link and code. Seriously, if you haven't tried it, it's worth trying. HelloFresh makes me feel like I've got my life together. Without HelloFresh, I would eat chicken Kiev most nights, I'm sure, like when I was at uni. But this makes me feel like I know how to make Asian style beef, which I wouldn't make something like this if I didn't do HelloFresh. It's like really proper, nice, home-cooked meals. Okay, it's time for me to go upstairs and take off my makeup. I should have done it earlier, really, but I've been putting it off. I need to do my skincare routine, but after that, I'm gonna come downstairs and make myself a cup of tea. And I don't really know, like, if any of you guys have a good idea for what an evening snack, like a healthy but satisfying evening snack is. Like, I used to always have a cookie with my cup of tea. 2 cookies, actually. And that just like did me, that was perfect. But I don't wanna have 2 cookies every night, and I don't like dark chocolate, so I can't have that. It doesn't have to be crazy sweet, but I do just want something sweet in the evening. I've been having raisins and almonds, but my mum said raisins are pretty sugary as well. So I don't really know. I'm trying to find like a good evening snack. Not sure what I'm gonna have tonight. Probably just have some almonds, but that won't really satisfy me. But anyway, a cup of tea will do. So I think I will end the video here. Oh, Rich will have tea as well, by the way. He's still babysitting, but when he comes back, he'll probably have peppermint tea. That's normally his choice. I'm gonna go take off my makeup, and I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing what we have eaten today. I've enjoyed doing this video, so let me know if you'd like to see more in the future. I've been promising a video on weaning, and that is gonna come today. I did loads of batch cooking and I filmed some of it for this video, which is coming up soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.